guys, this is the old A3, and I upgraded its key fob with the new design of the Audi keys. This is the one from A6, and on the new A3 8Y version is using this key, and this is perfect. It's so lightweight and it's easy to carry, and its materials are good. And I just tear down the old key and just apply its circuit to this new one, and it was so easy to apply and install this one. After the installation is done, everything works fine as its original key. Let me show you the keyless. Alright, the upgrade version is only available for the keyless versions of the Audi A3, and also other A4 or other RS and Q6 models, Q2 models, which are using the same old key fob, is upgradable. Okay, as you see, the keyless is worked. Let me show you the lock version. Okay, this is locked. Let me open it again, and it's opened. Let me show you. Let's start the car, and it starts. Alright, so let's start the car and finish the video. Alright, let me press the brake button and start it. Okay, it is started now. As you can see, this is working, and I think it's looking perfect. The materials are good and not heavy. Okay, see you guys. I will put the link down below in the description, and you can go and check it on AliExpress. If you like, you can buy it. See you guys.